So an update on my life right now. I am stranded in a small town in Northern California. My car can't go anywhere. It's only a two-wheel drive, but I'm still breathing. Still got my guitar. Still could play music. Headed over to a motel right now, so I'll be warm. I'll be able to sleep warm. I got all four limbs. Yeah. I miss my birthday. I miss my brother's birthday. I'm gonna miss Thanksgiving because of this storm. They say it's gonna be here for at least a couple of days. Whew. Just saw somebody slide. But we'll make up when I get there. Okay. Check out this type of view though.